your car making a strange whining noise? Or did it suddenly stall while driving? You might be dealing with a failing fuel pump. Welcome back to the Car Symptoms Guide, your go-to source for spotting car problems before they empty your wallet. For vehicle owners, maintaining engine performance is a top priority. However, one vital component often goes unnoticed until it fails completely: the fuel pump. In today's video, we will discuss the symptoms of a bad fuel pump in detail. This topic is critical because a fuel pump problem can lead to being stranded or causing further engine damage. Perhaps you have been asking yourself, is my fuel pump bad? Or you are researching the signs and symptoms of a bad fuel pump to avoid a breakdown. Stay with us as we break down everything you need to know. Function and location. Before we analyze the specific symptoms, it is essential to understand the purpose of a fuel pump. Simply put, this component is responsible for delivering fuel from the tank to the engine at the correct pressure. Without it, your car cannot operate. A common question we receive is, where is the fuel pump located in the car? In most modern cars, the fuel pump is located inside the fuel tank. This design helps keep the pump cool during operation. However, like any mechanical part, it is subject to wear. Recognizing a fuel pump problem early is key to proper vehicle maintenance. Major symptoms. Here is a comprehensive list of the most common signs indicating a bad fuel pump. Please pay close attention to the following. Whining noise. The first and most audible indicator is a sound. If you hear a loud, high-pitched whining noise coming from the fuel tank area, this is not normal. This buzzing sound is often one of the very first signs of a bad fuel pump. Difficulty starting. Do you experience issues when starting your vehicle? A bad fuel pump often struggles to build enough pressure. You may experience a long crank before start condition, or in severe cases, a crank but no start situation. This can happen if the check valve within the pump fails to maintain pressure in the lines. Many drivers look for tips on how to start a car with a bad fuel pump. But keep in mind, the only permanent solution is repair. Stalling. Another dangerous symptom is engine stalling. The engine may stall unexpectedly, either while idling or when driving at higher speeds. An engine stall caused by fuel starvation can result in a loss of power, steering, and braking, making this one of the most critical bad fuel pump symptoms. Power loss. If you notice a significant drop in acceleration, especially when driving uphill or hauling a load, this indicates power loss. A failing pump cannot deliver the necessary volume of fuel under stress. If your vehicle feels sluggish, you might ask, is my fuel pump going bad? The answer is likely yes. Sputtering or hesitating. Does your engine sputter or misfire during acceleration? Sputtering or hesitating are classic bad fuel pump signs. This occurs because the pump is struggling to provide a constant flow of fuel to the engine. Surging. Conversely, a failing pump can cause surging. The vehicle may surge or change speeds erratically without your input on the gas pedal. This resistance within the pump motor or issues with the control module can cause inconsistent pressure. Poor fuel efficiency. Finally, pay attention to your mileage. Poor fuel efficiency is a common symptom of a bad fuel pump. If the pump is not delivering fuel efficiently, the engine system may overcompensate, causing the vehicle to burn more gas than necessary. Technical diagnosis and codes. Beyond physical performance, your vehicle's diagnostic system can provide clues. If you see the engine light on, do not ignore it. A mechanic can scan the computer for specific error codes. Common codes associated with fuel pump symptoms include P0087, fuel rail system pressure too low, P0190, fuel rail pressure sensor circuit, P0171, system too lean, P0300, random, your multiple cylinder misfire. However, diagnosis requires precision. Before replacing the pump, one must inspect the relay, ensure there is a solid electrical ground, and check the fuel pump control module. So how to tell if the fuel pump is bad definitively? A professional will use a fuel pressure gauge to physically measure the pressure and volume, confirming if the fuel pump is truly the culprit. In conclusion, symptoms of a bad fuel pump range from strange noises and starting difficulties to stalling and power loss. If you suspect you have a bad fuel pump, it is important to have your vehicle inspected immediately. Early diagnosis can prevent further damage to your engine. Remember, understanding the signs of a bad fuel pump is the best way to keep your vehicle reliable. Question for you: have you ever experienced that whining noise from your fuel tank? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching our guide on bad fuel pump symptoms. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Drive safely.